Inspired by nature's resilience, the vision for the Namu table base began to form. Every line, every contour echoes the strength and reach of a tree, rooted yet rising. To channel the power and endurance of a tree, we chose steel. Strong and timeless, steel becomes the backbone of Namu, merging nature's resilience with modern durability. In these hands, the steel takes on organic form. Each bend, each line is a tribute to the grace and movement found in nature. Bringing Namu to life requires precision. Each weld is a connection, a testament to craftsmanship, forging strength into every joint, every line. The artistry continues with grinding, where raw edges are smoothed to perfection, creating a seamless flow that honors the form of the tree. The journey ends in a space that mirrors nature's balance, sturdy, grounded, yet refined. Namu harmonizes the strength of steel with the warmth of home. From concept to reality, the Namu table base is a piece of nature brought indoors, a reminder of strength, of beauty, and the journey behind every great design.